Hey everybody, I'm Marcel here at Tyger Auto, and today we're hanging out in the studio working on our latest creation, which is this T5 hard aluminum tonneau cover for this 5th gen Ram. One of the key features of this tonneau cover is that it's made out of high quality aircraft aluminum, which makes it very strong and also very durable. Plus, with the rubber seals, it'll allow you to keep your payload dry and secure away from any type of theft or weather conditions. So another great feature about the T5 tonneau cover here is that it comes in either a 4-fold or a 3-fold configuration. So based on your vehicle could either have 4 fold backs or 3 fold backs. So before we show you guys how to put on this tonneau cover, let's make sure that all of the parts for your tonneau cover are in the box, including your instructions. Now the first step is to make sure that the bed caps and the bulkhead are even, because if they're not, we're going to go ahead and install our seal to make sure that it stays watertight. After that, recruit help from another person to help carry the cover assembly and lay it down on the front of the bed with its buckles facing towards the front. Unbuckle and unfold the cover so it sits flat on the bed. It's very important to position the cover correctly, and in order to do so, adjust the front edge of the cover so it's lined up with the front edge of the bed rail. If the bed rail is curved, use the center point of the rail as a reference. Each side of the cover should be evenly spaced along the side of the bed rails. After you're happy with the alignment, fold the cover back so we can start applying the clamps. There are 4 pairs of clamps on this cover: front clamps, safety clamps, middle, and rear latches. Let's start with the front clamps closest to the cab. Pull down the clamp from the bottom of the cover into a vertical position. Apply the provided rubber pads on the surface to protect the paint. Then attach the clamp so its jaw is all the way against the bed rail lip. Go ahead and tighten the knob until the clamp is snug. If you have type A or B bed liner installed that covers any part of the bed rail lip, follow the instructions on how to cut a notch to allow the clamp to grip the metal surface. Moving on to the safety clamp. Take the safety clamp and strap hardware and install it to the cover like this. Then latch the clamp to the lip and make sure that the teeth bite into the metal, and then tighten the knob. Now for the middle latches. Unfold the cover once, then listen carefully on how to get these latches to fit as tight as possible. First, pull down the middle latch handles out of their pockets underneath the cover. Then lower the handle position by rotating it. Next, lift the handle and keep it above and beyond 90 degrees while adjusting the vertical position. The best position is where the groove of the jaw is level with the lip of the bed rail. Once you're happy with the position, use your free hand to press down on the cover and crank down the handle to lock it into position. If you feel that the latch is loose, lift the handle and readjust the position until you get a better fit. Next, fully unfold the cover to do the same with the middle latches that you will apply to the rear latches. After that, to confirm fit, slowly close the tailgate without slamming it to make sure the fitment is optimal. Then open up the tailgate again to check for any daylight in the front rail area. If needed, apply additional layers of weather strip to fill any gaps. Also note that some vehicles have tiny channels along the bed rail that may require silicone filling. To fold back the cover, release the latches and make sure that the handles are stored in the pocket flat this way. Improper storage of these latches could result in damage to the cover when you're folding it, so make sure that these latches are stowed in place firmly. Before we finish, let's go over a few things. First, for the T5 applications with certain vehicles equipped with factory utility tracks, we'll include brackets that let you slide the tracks for the clamps to latch onto. And yes, this tonneau cover is approved to go through any touchless car wash. And if you're taking care of it at home, just simple soap and water will make your tonneau cover look beautiful for years to come. Also, for any reason, if you ever have a problem with any type of hardware or seals, reach out to us, because our hardware program will make sure that you get the right part sent out to you to ensure a long and safe life of your tonneau cover for many years to come. Hey guys, that's it. If you like this video and you want to see more just like this, make sure that you go ahead and sign up by subscribing, hitting your notifications, and definitely like this video. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.